This is the disassembly and reassembly of a Ruger GP100. You want to start by removing the grip panel. Inside the left side grip panel, there's a disassembly pin, which you insert into the hammer strut. When the hammer's back, place it in that hole in the back. Then you drop the hammer to relieve the spring pressure. Then the hammer strut and spring will come right out. After the hammer spring has been removed, you can remove this pin and pull the trigger and remove the hammer. Then you can use an old screwdriver or a pick tool to depress this tab. Which lets the trigger assembly drop out the bottom. That trigger assembly also holds in the crane for the cylinder. To separate the cylinder from the crane, you want to depress this pin with a 90-degree pick and push this pin. Keep a finger on that stainless steel piece because that's under spring pressure and it will fly away. You can reattach the crane to the cylinder the same way it came apart. You can reinsert the crane into the frame of the revolver. Reinsert the trigger group. Then drop the hammer back in with the trigger back. Reinsert the hammer pin. Reinsert the hammer strut. Pull the hammer back. Let the disassembly pin drop out. Drop the hammer forward. Reattach the left side grip panel. Put the disassembly pin back. Reattach the right side grip panel. And then tighten down the grip screw.